Hello, this presentation will help you navigate the TRAS case log, where you will be logging all your procedures throughout your fellowship training with one of our University of Toronto spine program affiliated hospitals. Logging all your spine surgical learnings on TRAS is a vital requirement for completing your fellowship with our program. TRAS is a university-wide spine surgery case log, launched in 2015 in support of the National Competence-Based Spine Surgery Fellowship Curriculum, which was published in 2016 in the Spine Journal by joint efforts from our spine program faculty and the Canadian Spine Society. TRAS case log applies to spine surgery on both specialties, orthopedic surgery and neurosurgery, to both adult and pediatrics at basic and complex training levels. You can access TRAS on the Spine Program's website under the U of T Department of Surgery's Programs tab, or directly using the link shown above. In addition to the website, the TRAS app is also available for download on your phone, which provides you with easy access to log your activities on the go. Scan this QR code on your phone to direct you to the app either in iOS or Android. TRAS is HIPAA compliant, comprehensive, and user-friendly. It allows us to unify data across the 4 hospitals at which the spine program is operating. We use data from the TRAS case log for educational purposes, research initiatives, and grants applications. It's also important for peer review of our program. Successful completion of your TRAS case log is a key component for obtaining your U of T Spine Program Fellowship Diploma. At the end of your training, you will also be able to export reports of your procedures for your career pursuits. To log a case, go to Activities and start your entry with the date, MRN, site, and attending staff. Move on to complete the patient interaction section. Choose the area of spine you operated on. Select an approach, select a diagnosis, select the respective procedure, and select your level of involvement. It's important to indicate your progress throughout the fellowship training. If applicable, select additional skills used. If applicable, select hardware techniques. If applicable, indicate any immediate complications. Your self-evaluation is important and mandatory. Drag your cursor along each bar to complete your self-evaluation. Please check the box for Request Evaluation only if you wish to receive feedback from your supervisor on a special occasion. Your supervisor will receive a notification and be able to evaluate your case. The private notes are for your own use only and remain private. Don't forget to save your entry. Now I will show you how to view your activities or export a record of your case log. To view or export your case log, you can go to the View Activities tab on the top of the main page, columnize your search using filters, click Find to see your results, and then Download to Excel to generate and download your report in an Excel sheet. Please make sure you log all your spine-related activities and do not include any non-spine cases. Please note that you will receive the University of Toronto Spine Program Diploma upon a successful completion of your case log. If you have any more questions, please reach out to uoft.spine@utoronto.ca.